Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to draw a flower, so let's get started. Feel free to use anything that you guys have that you like to draw or color with around the house, but I'm going to be using marker on top of marker paper. So actually, I'm going to start off with the center of the flower, right here. It's going to be a circle. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a series of petals. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spread it out. And I'm going to do the top, the right and left, and then I'm going to do a series of petals in between. 1, 2, 3, 1. So you could do these little end shapes, you could do some big petals, you could do small petals, it's really up to you. Just like this. Now for the stem, I'm actually going to do a straight line that comes down to the bottom. And I'm going to do one that runs parallel with it as well. We're going to come out a curved line, and we're going to do like a teardrop shape. We're going to do a line in the middle. I'm going to break up my line a little bit just to give it a little bit more character. We're going to do another leaf here. We're going to do a curved line, and another teardrop shape with a line going through the middle. Let's actually give it a face. I'm going to do 2 oval shapes for the eyes. I'm going to fill those in. And I'm going to do a smile like this. Pretty cool. Look how wide open it is. It's like asking for a hug. Actually, when I was researching flowers today, I learned that some flowers actually move with the sun from east to west. Or some flowers actually have like internal alarm clocks that actually help guide them east to west, which is pretty cool. So, you know, one morning you'll go out and your flowers will be leaning one way, and then in the evening and you go out, you'll notice your flowers are leaning the other way. It's pretty cool. I guess it's just them looking for some sunlight. Well, anyways, we're actually going to color this flower. Feel free to color it any way you want. I'm going to speed through this process. And again, feel free to pause it at any time. Use this photo for reference. It doesn't have to look like mine. And yeah, just have fun. Be creative. Here's my flower. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys can like and subscribe, or your parents could like and subscribe for you. I appreciate you guys, and until next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time. If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.